cloud. We're sure you've already heard of it. It's going to be a big deal. Actually, it already is. Today, cloud technology powers household names and services that are part of your everyday life. And where is the cloud headed? Well, the sky's the limit. But let's talk about something that really matters: games. Game studios are already taking advantage of the new opportunities that this technology can offer. And the opportunities, especially for smaller indie devs, have never been greater. Analysts predict annual game downloads will soar to 64.1 billion by 2017. That's 3 times the number recorded in 2012. That's a lot of gamers having a lot of fun with a lot of games. The cloud will power that growth. It's not just for the big guys. The cloud will unleash new ways of creating games for indie developers. It's your canvas. Where will your creativity take you? From multiplayer gaming, data analytics, game setting storage to cloud-based AI and gameplay tweaks on the fly, the applications for the cloud are multiple, scalable, and, importantly, available now. Instead of being limited to the local processing power of a device, even small indie teams can take advantage of huge computing and rendering power. And why limit your game to one device? The cloud enables more and more games to span different forms of hardware. With the resources of the cloud available to game makers of all sizes today, it doesn't just change the game, it levels the playing field. The cloud is creating a world where games are no longer confined to boxes, but becoming services. Games that take advantage of the cloud are able to stay better connected to their audience. Code, AI, art, game balancing can all stay live, enabling game makers to constantly tweak and improve an already purchased game or app. It means game makers have the chance to create games that revolve around the player experience in a way we could never have imagined. Big data. You can improve your customer experience and marketing by gaining consumer insight from the way your games are being played and who is playing them. Deliver truly seamless and orchestrated experiences between devices. The cloud delivers an ongoing, connected, evolving environment, empowering game makers to put the player at the heart of the experience like never before. We have come a long way in the last 20 years. What could be achieved in the next 20? The cloud isn't just the future. It's now. Always on. Always available. Always evolving. Always working. Always scalable. It's time to think outside the device. It's time to think cloud. Windows Azure is the perfect choice for games developers, as it's designed not just for our cloud, but for anybody to build a cloud. Whether you use Microsoft technologies, Windows, Linux, .NET, PHP and others, with Windows Azure, most languages, frameworks and open source stacks are supported. This means games developers can work with the languages and frameworks they are already familiar with. What will you do?